87. Came all the way up here, turned at this junction, went all the way up to Lander. This town was awesome. It was a beautiful town, and it was right by a river. And they have free camping in the city park there. It was really nice. Tent and RV, but there was only a few spots. And then we just kind of looked around, and then we kept going. Came up through here, went through Du Bois. I found a place to water in the dog park in Du Bois, found it on Overlander. So we filled up with water, came up through here, through Moran Junction, then came back down here. Then we turned off on a forest road. We found some boondocking right across from the Grand Tetons. So we're maybe over here, I don't know, somewhere in here at the Grand Tetons, and we have an awesome view of the Grand Tetons, which you'll see. Look at that guy flying.
Yep. Flat tire, that thing will drag that all over.
It looks lopsided too.
Yeah, it does. It's definitely loaded hard on the right. Look at it.
Yeah, those clouds are so pretty. Continental Divide.
6720. Getting over.
Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, there's antelope, but I don't know if you're going to be able to see them. They're tiny out there. Split Rock Ranch. Beautiful places. In the summer.
So along the way we passed through Lander, Wyoming, which is a beautiful town. It actually had a city park that had free overnight camping for 3 nights. And they had spaces for RVs, and the middle fork of the Popo Aggie River ran right through the park. They had some great spots for tents also. Nice green grass area and some clean restrooms. And as we drove through town, the river actually runs through the middle of town. And there are a lot of neat historic homes in this town also. Lander, Wyoming had the first paid rodeo, and they hold that rodeo to this very day on the 4th of July.
Almost 40 miles to Du Bois. Hopefully we can find some water there. And on to the Tetons. Here's Du Bois, Wyoming. Yeah, they got packed in there like sardines. It looks nice, but it's too tight. Of course, we boondock. We don't want anybody around. Jackalope. Look at this big giant skull. Laundromat. Well, we stopped here and there's a little dog park. Reef Island down Overlander. And got some water. There's another water spigot on the other side. Overlander's been pretty good. That's a really nice dog park. Du Bois, Wyoming. Alright, and up here's our campsite. Alright, we're having refried beans tonight, avocados, tortillas, some pico de gallo. So we'll have some fresh Mexican food. In this next part, I just have to warn my friends from Alaska who don't have access to Mexican food right now. you might not want to watch the next step.
All right, so we're cooking arrachera from the Rancho Market, carniceria, real Mexican food. Anyway, I've got the little Weber Q fired up as hot as it'll go, about 420 degrees or so. And we're gonna throw it on there. Oh yeah, nice and hot.
It's been marinating. This is the original stuff. It's so good.
Anybody that doesn't know what arrachera is, look it up. But it tastes wonderful.
And we might use some leftovers for our friends in Alaska if we don't eat it first.
The Canadian Border Patrol takes it.
Yeah.
Or American Border Patrol looking for dinner.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Look at that. That car. It fell off. Was it good? You happy face. I made it to the Grand Tetons and get a sunset view here. Just relaxing. Beautiful sunset. A river down there too. Wow. Hanging out with a camper and relaxing, chillaxing. I think we're gonna rest for a couple days. Mark's tired. Have anything to say to the Beamy fans?
No. What fans?
Beamy. Blue Moon
Oh,
Explorers.
No, here we are in our living room.
Yeah. A room with the view.
Grand Tetons.
Very nice. It's epic.